guys! Welcome back to my channel and to my page. Another motor vlog here. At nasa labas na tayo, kaya naman, samahan niyo ako. So, andito tayo ngayon sa M2 Motorcycle Garage Manila, PH. And ito ay sa may Camagong, Makati. Pakita ko sa inyo papasok sa kanilang shop. Ayan, M2 Motorcycle Garage Manila.ph. Oh ha, ito yung mismong shop. Ayan, daming motor. Daming kotse doon. At ayun yung pangarap nating kotse. Anyway, so ayun yung entrance. Ayun yung Camagong Street. If you are coming from Skyway, pwede kayong bumaba sa Buendia, konting Kembot, papuntang Osmeña, and then pasok dito. And as you can see, sobrang cool nitong shop na to. Ang daming cool pieces, cool items. Yan. Oh, so dito yung service. Ayan. And parang lounge area with the bikes. I believe some of these bikes are maybe for sale. Merong Indian, merong Ducati, may BMW. Siguro mga for sale sila. Right? And of course, ang ating pakay sa shop na to ay ang Chigi. Chigi. So ano ba yung Chigi? Pumasok sila, I believe, last year in the Philippines. Basically, para siyang dual cam, parang dash cam sa kotse. So, ito ay para sa motor. Ito yung dalawang camera niya. Yan. And may display siya. Ang usual na mabibili nyo online ay mga cameras for the bikes or motorcycles. Minsan pwede rin sa bicycle, I believe, or sa scooter or whatever. Yan, sa harap at sa likod. Pero, typical is walang display. But this one may display na. Yun ang maganda sa kanya. You don't have to look on your phone or use your phone to check the display. Meron na siyang display mismo. And ano ba yung mga laman nito or mga features nito? AIO 5 Chigi. So yan, meron siyang CarPlay, Android Auto, online navigation, riding, recording, information, reminder, trip statistics, blind spot monitoring, and tire pressure monitoring. Alam niyo minsan, 'di ba, pag walang tire pressure monitoring yung mga motor natin, bumibili pa tayo ng additional. At least dito kasama na siya. And kung mahilig kayo mag-record sa daan, for safety reasons or for vlogging like me, lagi tayong merong nakakabit na Insta360. And for this, hindi mo na kailangan magkabit, diba? Ayan o. Sa likod at sa harap, meron ka ng camera. Nakakita na rin ako ng video nito kay Bea, yung RE Bacoor owner. Merong siyang ganito nakakabit sa kanyang motor. At ang ganda nung display. I also have some friends na nagtatrack, nagre-race track. At ganyan din yung gamit nila. Kasi mamomonitor mo pati yung lane angle mo. So yung mga information about your riding and yung mga nadadaanan mo, of course, ay nare-record automatically. So, iti-check natin kung anong makakabit natin sa ating Multistrada today and mapakita ko sa inyo kung paano, anong magiging itsura at anong mga features ng Motorcycle Smart Riding System na to.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so nakabitan na after more than an hour, kung di ako nagkakamali. Merong magjo-join sa atin dito to explain kung ano yung kinabit and some details about it as well. So, eto na si Sir Jerry. So, yes, please, pakilala mo na may sarili mo.
Okay, so my name is Jerry Cheng, Marketing Manager in Chigi, Philippines. So, we are here at M2 Motorcycle Garage. Kinabitan natin yung bike na punong-puno ng kanina po, may mga carbon, punong-puno ng carbon.
Yes.
So, eto nakabitan na natin using our standard adventure mount. So, adventure mount natin to. It's right in front of your face, di ba? So, paano nga ba natin kinabit? First, yung monitor natin would be this one. Ito yung Chigi AIO 5 natin. Kinabit natin siya using the adventure mount. At the same time, since ang Multistrada, walang crossbar mounting.
Yes.
We actually provided a crossbar mount din. So, nandito na siya. Integrated
at least
lahat.
meron na kayo, di ba? Di ko na kailangan mag-provide.
Then, we have two separate cameras. We have the front, nandito sa ilalim ng... Kaya mo siya maingay. Front, nandito sa ilalim ng tuka. And the back, sa ilalim ng top box carrier ni Miss Becky.
Yan, safe.
Okay. Then next, ano pa ang kinabit? Tire pressure monitoring. Kinabit din natin. So, nandito siya sa side ko. Actually, nasa gulong siya. Ngayon, kita natin on how under pressure yung gulong niya.
Na-detect agad.
Na-detect na niya agad. It's 28-28. Dapat 36-38 or 34-38.
Yes.
Ang maganda dito, habang nasa dashcam tayo, nakikita mo din na bitin ang pressure mo.
Notify, yes.
So, besides sa dashcam, ano pa?
Of course, yung ating remote.
Oh yeah, kinabitin natin pala is our wireless remote in which we use to navigate the device. So, pansinin mo, yung device natin is not only a safety feature, not only a safety gadget, but also a navigation gadget with our Google Maps and CarPlay.
Of course.
So,
sobrang high-tech.
So, pretty much, kaya siya tinawag na AIO5 kasi it's an all-in-one package with 5 main functions. CarPlay, dashcam, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, and security cameras.
Nice. Yun ang pinakamahalaga, security man. And, sige nga, ito yung mga kinabit natin. Meron bang option na ito lang?
So, ang base package natin would be the main AIO5 Lite natin na main box. So, yung main box natin would have the head unit, the GPS, yung dalawang camera.
Oh, yes.
Then, you can choose to upgrade. Dagdagan nyo ng tire pressure, dagdagan nyo ng remote, dagdagan nyo ng mount. Kasi if wala yung mount na to, sa handlebars nakakabit. So,
okay.
Depende po sa kanya-kanyang bikes
Of
kung
course.
saan nakakabit. Pero it starts at 25,500, which is this box.
Okay, so basically, you can just buy this.
Yes.
To get the display and the features that comes with it. And then, add on na lang yung the rest. And depende na rin kung ano yung bike mo, kung kailangan yan. Katulad ng mounting system, ganyan. What's this? Ito naman. There's an option as well na wag mag-remote, right?
Yes. Example natin kung naka-scrambler ka, Ducati Scrambler or German brand, R90, mga ganyan. Yung even scooters, yung mga malapit lang abutin.
Oo, madaling abutin.
Ito kasi masyadong malawak na inaabot mo pa talaga ng medyo malayo-layo.
Okay.
Kaya recommended ang remote.
Kaya nagkaroon ng ganyan for safety reasons. Depende na rin. Oo, tama. Kasi yun nga, it's all about the safety, of course. So, this is, how much again? Sorry.
So, this is 25,500 pesos.
And the tire pressure?
3,550.
And the remote?
3,640.
How about the mount?
Yung ano natin, yung mount natin, regardless kung anong bike ka, sports bike mount, yung stem mount, adventure mount, side mirror mount, kung scooters, it's 1,800.
Ooh, nice.
So, ito, abutin ko lang. Sensya. Ito ang scooter mount natin. It would sandwich dito sa side mirror natin. Tapos nandito na yung device natin. Pwedeng ganun sa mga Vespas.
So, it only means na hindi lang pala siya pang big bike.
Any bike.
Any bike,
Even
yan.
e-bikes.
Oo nga, no? Uso ngayon ng e-bikes, of course. And how about the installation? Is there a service fee for that?
Yes, depends na lang sa kung kaninong dealer nyo papa-install. Pero standard SRP of late, we're charged na around 1,500 pesos to 2,000 pesos.
Speaking of, bukod dito sa M2 Motorcycle Garage, is there any other place that I can have this installed officially?
Yes. So, currently we have from south to north tayo.
Okay.
So, we have Garahe, Davao, Royal Enfield Bacoor, Vespa Mall of Asia, M2 Motorcycle Garage, we have Touratech as well.
Oh, dami na.
And Moto Atelier sa north, and we have home-based mechanic based in Quezon City.
Ooh.
Na who does home services sa mga walang time dumayo.
So, kung gusto kong magpa-home service, I just have to contact you guys.
Yes,
and you can have the appointment.
Yes, then we will schedule it with our home service mechanic. Then, based on distance, ganun po yung ipapatong sa home service fee natin. And
because eto gadgets yan, literally, meron ba tayo dyan warranty?
So, once you activate the device, nakasave na dyan yung date and time niya, it starts the 1-year replacement warranty. So, pag mapansin mo, kung may makita ka man, or on rare chance na isang pirasong dead pixel, papalitan namin yung buong unit.
Wow, nice. So, dadalhin lang namin dito?
Dadalhin lang dito. Tapos, i-check namin kung kailan siya inactivate. Then, mag-double check na din namin kung kaninong dealer siya nakuha. Then, mapalitan namin siya kung kailangan man. Pero madalas, kung may issues man, we've had one, I'll be honest, nakukuha siya sa reboot. Or basically, we have a SD card na parang key namin.
Parang soft reset.
Mag-soft reset siya.
Yes,
we have had one dahil nagkamali siya ng update, na-off niya yung bike, na-break niya.
Bawal yan. Oo. You're so technical kasi alam nyo, hindi lang naman dito. Any gadget talaga, hindi advisable or hindi dapat na pag during the update is papatayin mo siya, mawala ka ng internet connection. That's a bad practice. So, at least dito na-resolve agad through soft reset.
Within 5 minutes. Actually, yung software na in-update natin, ayun, naka-display unit na siya dahil in-honor namin yung warranty, pinalitan namin na unit, we got his unit, nandiyan na siya naka-display.
Uy, pinalitan pa rin kahit na And speaking of, sabi mo nga, kanina na-explain mo, one good thing about the Chigi brand is yung updates.
So, we have monthly update. We take information from client. Kung may bug sila nakita based on their phone, kung anong phone man gamit nila, forward lang sa amin yung concern, we'll forward it to HQ. Within a month, updated siya.
Oh, diba?
So, we just released an update last January 30. So, fresh update tayo ngayon.
Yes.
And most likely, you can look forward to software updates na maganda yung support neto, madadagdagan ng support in the next months. Yun yung difference namin. That's why we are slightly bit on a higher price range than other market. Kasi we have full support, hindi lang basta nabenta, kalimutan na.
Yun nga ang babanggitin ko eh. Actually, you get what you pay for. Diba? It's not na-install na, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. So, at least, we are really, alam mo yon, at ease na every now and then may updates. So, dahil gadgets nga yan, every now and then pwedeng magka-issue, na-fix agad ng brand kasi nililook forward nila yung mga sinasabi ng customer, mga experiences.
By the way, nakikita nyo may caution sign dito sa ilalim. So, may nadidetect ata siya sa likod natin na ayun, may tao sa likod dito. So, nadidetect niya as blind spot niyan. So, ina-alert ka na na may caution dito. Habang nasa CarPlay ka, pwede. Yes.
Diba? Kahit di tayo moving, guys. Kasi usually, sa experience ko, kailangan gumagalaw din yung nadedetect niya. This one, kahit huminto na yung naka-block or yung lumalapit, nadedetect pa rin niya. Diba? Basta malapit.
So, it aids in first-timer, newbie riders. Mas lalo na, for me personally, I use my AIO5 Lite as a rear camera. More than the navigation, I use it as a backup camera ko. So let's say, tinutulak ko yung bike ko, hindi na ako lilingon sa likod. Tinutulak ko yung bike ko, I just look at my rear view mirror.
Yes.
Kita ko na yung kumita ko ba, may kotseng parating. So I don't need to turn back. Hindi ko na kailangan.
Para kami backcam sa kotse,
yes,
diba? O, napaka-high-tech ng iyong motor.
Yun na yun. It's the last technology-based upgrade that you would ever need for your bike at this current generation.
Yes. So please invite them naman to follow and like your platforms.
So yeah, please, you can visit our platforms sa Instagram and Facebook, Chigi Philippines. Based on milestones namin, we give out free gifts. So example namin, yung first 1,000 followers namin, first 2,500, 3,500 ngayon, we're approaching around 6,000 followers natin. Malay natin, by 7,500 may free tire pressure monitor tayo, or car or phone holder, or baka mamaya ito yung freebie, hindi natin alam.
Malay natin, di ba? So, Chigi Philippines lang naman ang kailangan
Chigi
search.
Philippines, and I personally am the one answering inquiries doon. Both comments and messages.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Sir Jerry.
Thank you. Yan. Kuha ba yun?